A while back, we did an OpenSea video on how to transfer NFTs in bulk. Now, of course, doing just about anything in bulk can be useful, and that it obviously saves you time. In this OpenSea tutorial, we're going to list multiple NFTs for sale, as opposed to listing them one by one. So once we're on our profile page within OpenSea, we can go ahead and hover over an NFT that we'd like to list, and then click on the plus sign. From there, we can go ahead and hover over additional NFTs to add to the list, and again, click on the plus sign. And the great thing about listing multiple NFTs and doing it in bulk is that you don't have to stick to the same project. So those two NFTs, of course, are Bubblegum Kid NFTs, but we can select different NFTs from different projects. So let's say, for example, I wanted to list this gutter juice. I can do that as well. And then I'll go ahead and add one more just as an example. Now, I don't know how many NFTs you can add in one shot here, but I did try adding more than 30 and it didn't stop me or give me an error. So you can certainly add quite a few in one go. Now, once you've added all of the NFTs that you would like to list for sale, go ahead and click on the Continue button. From there, we simply have to input the price for each NFT, along with the duration, which is simply the amount of time that we'd like to have the NFT listed for. So I'll start off with the first one here. So there we have the price. Next, I'll go ahead and select the duration. For the second Bubblegum Kid here, I'm going to put it a bit lower at 0.08. And just as an example, I'm going to really mix up the different expiration dates here. Next, we'll move on to the gutter juice. And then last but not least is the Desperate Ape Wife. And we'll go ahead and leave that one at 7 days. Now, if for some reason you get to the end of your list and you realize that you would like to remove one of these NFTs, you can simply do that by hitting the 3 dots and selecting Remove. You also have the option to apply price to all, so give them all the same price, or apply duration to all. Now, of course, 3 months is a really long time in the NFT space, so I'm going to change that to 7 days, but then apply to all again. So now I have the 3 NFTs ready to go with the price in place, along with the duration or the expiry date. Once we're happy with our NFTs, we can go ahead and hit the List Items button in the bottom right-hand corner. A MetaMask pop-up window has opened up here, and this is exactly what will happen when you list a single NFT. So go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Sign. And of course, because it's multiple NFTs and we're doing it in bulk this time, we'll have to sign multiple times. So that's 3 of 3. This is the last one that we'll have to sign. And that's it. It says your listings are now complete. That will then bring you to a list of all of your active listings where you can view the new ones that we just did, along with older ones as well. And that's it. You now know how to list multiple NFTs in bulk. Be sure to subscribe to the NFT Sweep YouTube channel for more OpenSea tutorials, and sign up for our newsletter for the latest in NFT news, events, and other learning content.